Praise and thank God for another beautiful evening. I'm going to go for our funeral, for our sister-in-law's funeral tonight, and I am so amazing by God's love and mercy. Hopefully everyone will have a blessing evening this evening, and everyone is all good. Hopefully you have some scriptures to read this evening, and hopefully you can able to have more time to pray for our world, because we need pray for this world. We are so amazing in so many ways. I've met lots of beautiful souls today. A lady, Maori lady I met today, and I am so amazing all the scriptures that she shares in the shop, and I was really happy by the amazing scriptures that I share with her and she shared with me. And it's so awesome to hear people that really love God, and I'm so glad and amazing in God love and mercy. Love you people. Have to read and share with your friends the scriptures wherever you get, in the shop or anywhere. Thank you for another beautiful, awesome, blessing moment. Love you all. Bye.